In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload attachment in WorkDrive on Zoho CRM. To begin, open Zoho CRM and navigate to the area where you want to add your attachment. In many setups, this is done through an attachment option, a related list, or a file picker that connects to different storage sources. When you see the option to choose a source, look for the drop-down menu and click it. From that drop-down, select Zoho WorkDrive. This is important because Zoho CRM can sometimes let you attach files from different places, like your computer or other connected apps. Choosing Zoho WorkDrive makes sure the file is stored and shared through WorkDrive, which is useful for organizing documents, controlling access, and keeping everything connected to your CRM work. After you select Zoho WorkDrive, a pop-up window will appear. In that pop-up, find and click the Upload tab or the Upload button. This switches you into upload mode, so you can add a new file from your computer into WorkDrive directly from inside Zoho CRM. Next, you will be prompted to choose a file. Browse to the location on your computer where your document is saved, click the file to select it, and then click Open. Give it a moment to upload, especially if the file is large or if your internet connection is slower. If you have multiple versions of the same document, double-check the file name before opening it so the correct one is uploaded. Once the upload is complete, you will be taken to Share options. Set your share settings based on how you want others to access the file. For example, you may be able to control who can view it, who can edit it, or whether it is restricted to specific people. Take your time here, because the share settings determine how secure and accessible the attachment will be after you finalize it. When your settings are correct, click Share to finalize. This completes the upload and attaches the file through Zoho WorkDrive within Zoho CRM. And that is all there is to it.